Pose with the fans. Pose with the pose with the pose with the fans. Pose with the pose with the pose with the fans.
Here we will explain about angles. Among other things, definition of angle, kind of angle,
the relation between angle and angles created when a pair of parallel lines are intersected by two other parallel lines. Enjoy for watching, guys!
Okay. Have you ever hit a table? If you have, it definitely sick. Do you know the edges of the table are also called corners? Let's learn more about angles. Number 1. Definition of angle. Two rays are two linear, and both ray and line can intersect each other at one point to form an angle. Number 2. Kind of angle. The first, right angle. Right angle is an angle whose measure is exactly 90 degrees. For example, like a book. Part of the book is right angle. The second, acute angle. Acute angle is an angle whose measure is less than 90 degrees. Mathematically expressed as 0 degrees is smaller than alpha is smaller than 90 degrees.
An example is a hanger. Surely you are very familiar with this object, right? This part and this part on the hanger form an angle. Do you know what angle? Yes, that's right, acute angle.
The third, straight angle. Straight angle is an angle whose measure is exactly 180 degrees.
For straight angle, we can look at straight objects, such as this ruler.
The fourth, full rotation angle. Full rotation angle is an angle whose measure is exactly 360 degrees. For full rotation angle, we can find it in circular objects. For example, like this clock. From 12 to 12 again, that is a full rotation angle. The 5. Obtuse angle. Obtuse angle is an angle whose measure is greater than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. Mathematically expressed as 90 degrees smaller than alpha smaller than 180 degrees.
You can find an example of the following item in your own home, namely a wall clock. If you look at the whole hand on this wall clock, it forms an obtuse angle.
The 6th, reflex angle. Reflex angle is an angle whose measure is greater than 180 degrees but less than 360 and 60 degrees.
For the reflex angle on this wall clock, where from the number 8 to 10, it forms an acute angle, and from the number 10 to 8, it forms an reflex angle.
The second material I will explain is about the relation between angles. If more than one line intersect such that some angles are formed, then the relation between angles can be formed as well. First, supplementary angle. Supplementary angles are two angles which make the sum of the measure is 180 degrees. For the example, we can see the picture. From the picture is 2x plus 3 degrees plus x min 6 degrees equal 180 degrees. And then 2x degrees plus x degrees equal 180 degrees minus 3 degrees plus 6 degrees. And then 3x degrees equal 183 degrees. And then x equal 61. Second, complementary angle. Complementary angle are two angles which make the sum of measure is 90 degrees. For the example, we can see the picture. From the picture is 2x degrees plus x degrees equal 90 degrees. And then 3x degrees equal 90 degrees. And then x equal 30 degrees. Third, opposite angle. Opposite angle are two angles which is opposite to each other and formed by two intersecting lines, and they have the same measure. For the example, we can see the picture. From the picture, we have angle POS equal angle ROQ, and then angle POR equal angle SOQ.
The last topic is angles created when a pair of parallel lines are intersected by two other parallel lines. First, corresponding angles. The angles that occupy same relative position while pair of parallel lines are intersected by another line. Second, alternate interior angles. Pair of angles which are on the opposite side of transversal or line cutting parallel lines and are outside the two lines. Third, alternate exterior angles. Pair of angles which are on the opposite side of transversal or line cutting parallel lines and are inside the two lines. 4. Consecutive interior angles. Pair of angles which are on one side of transversal or line cutting parallel lines and are inside the two lines. 5. Consecutive exterior angles. Pair of angles which are on one side of transversal or line cutting parallel lines and are outside the two lines.
It's the sun. still shine.